Just a little heads up before we get in the video. I am not a financial expert. These are not suggestions or recommendations on what you should do with your money or how you should invest it. This is just simply me documenting how I'm investing my money. As you all know, the stock market can be very volatile and very risky. So please do your own due diligence and your own research before investing in the stock market. If you are new to the channel, I would like to say welcome. And for all you that are subscribers already, I would like to say thank you as we finally reached just over 500 subscribers. And for that, I would like to say thank you for all the love and support that you guys have given me. And if you guys are new to the Robinhood app, I will leave a link down in the description below on how you can receive a free stock. You do not have to link a bank account or deposit any money at all. Just simply create an account and use the link down below, and you will receive a free stock valued up to $500. Last thing before we get into this video, can you guys please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. We are almost to our 1,000 subscribers, and none of this is possible without you guys. So before we get into this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get into this portfolio. Alright, here you're looking at my Robinhood portfolio, currently valued at $3,219.73. As of Friday close, I was down $4.36, but made up $3.81 in aftermarket trading. So to the right, you can see the 5 stocks I'm currently invested in. We have AT&T, OKE, Coca-Cola, Realty Income, and PSEC. And in the next couple of slides, I will show you the amount of dividend each of these companies are paying me and what I have received so far as dividend payments from these companies. All right, so my annual dividend income is sitting around $221.79. And this number is derived from the 5 companies that I stated earlier that I'm currently holding that pay out a dividend. And first up is going to be AT&T. So AT&T, I currently hold 26 shares, and the total equity that I put into it, I'm down $27.73. But they are a dividend-paying company, and I do hold 26 shares. And annually, they return to me $53.56. And this company pays out quarterly, so every quarter I am receiving $13.39 from holding 26 shares of AT&T. All right, second on our list is going to be OKE. OKE, I have 10 shares, and I'm currently up $10.55 on this investment. OKE, they pay me an annual dividend income of $36.75. And they are a quarterly paying dividend. So for the 10 shares I'm currently holding, I am receiving $9.19. All right, third on the list is going to be the Dividend King Coca-Cola. Currently, I am down $104.44 for the 32 shares that I'm currently holding. Right now, I'm really not too concerned about my overall loss for the price of the stock, as I will be holding the stock for 10, 15, 20 years, however long I can, and I will continue to buy shares. But annually, they do pay me $51.52 for the 32 shares that I hold, and they are a quarterly paying dividend as well. So every quarter, I do receive $12.88 for holding Coca-Cola. All right, next we're going to move on to the real estate sector. And for this one, I have Realty Income. And for the 20 shares that I'm currently holding, I am down $57.36. Like I said with Coca-Cola, I am not worried about being down. Right now, as we all know, the market's doing its fluctuating ups and downs. But when the market does recover, I will see a pretty substantial gain. As my entry cost was pretty low for Realty Income. But anyways, let's get into the dividends. For the 20 shares that I currently own, they are a monthly paying dividend. So every month I receive $4.56. and that's annual income of $54.76. All right, last but not least on my list, one of the more sketchiest dividend paying stocks that I'm currently holding, which is PSEC. For the 35 shares I'm currently holding, I'm actually up $13.61 on my initial investment. As far as the dividends, I say it's sketchy because this is one of the companies that I could see in the future cutting or delaying or postponing their dividend for X amount of time until the current situation that we're in clears up and the company becomes financially stable again. But in the meantime, they are still paying a dividend, and they are a monthly paying dividend. So for the 35 shares I'm currently holding, I receive $2.10 every month, and that's an annual income of $25.20. All right, moving on to the graph here. I have a graph to track the amount of dividends that I receive every month for the fiscal year 2020. And as you can see, January through March, I received no dividends because I was not invested in any companies that were paying out any dividends, or I did not meet the ex-dividend date. So the first month, April, was the first month that I collected a dividend, and it was a whopping $2.82 from SPHD. And then after that, in May, I collected $14.36 from two companies this time, and that was AT&T, which was a quarterly paying dividend, and Realty Income, which is a monthly paying dividend. All right, if you made it to this part of the video, I would like to say thank you for the love and support that you have shown to my channel. Reaching 500 subscribers has always been a short-term goal of mine, and for that, I would like to say thank you, because without you guys, this would not be possible. So thank you. And second off, if you find the information in the videos that I release informative or educational at all, or if you benefited from it at all, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll get to them as quick as possible. Yeah, that is going to conclude this week's video. So thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.